So, where is it that robots go when they feel unwell? Oily noses? Rusty parts? Who would a robot tell?
Robodoc,
Says Rona.
he's friendly and not frightening. We go to him for booster shots, oiling, and tightening. If we're getting rusty or we need the odd repair, Robodoc will find a cure or fit us with a spare. Once, my little brother's ear was knocked off in a game. Robodoc replaced it with a new one just the same. Once my dad tripped over on my toy robocar, and Doc, he rebuilt him part by part, can't even see a scar. My robo Aunt Zelda even lost her robot head, and Robodoc replaced it with a younger one instead. Robodoc is very smart, knowing each and every part, making house calls in the cold if we're struggling to start. But mostly general maintenance is why we need to go. I sure could use some antifreeze for playing in the snow.